36,800 Swiss francs for a 650-watt concert hall on wheels. Most crossovers give you a basic sound system and call it a day. The Ford Puma Titanium Sound Edition gives you audio hardware that costs more than some people's entire home theater setup. And that's just the beginning. Here's what Ford did. They took their already award-winning Puma and asked a simple question. What if the driving experience wasn't just about the drive? What if every commute, every road trip, every grocery run felt like front-row seats at your favorite concert? So they partnered with Harman's audio engineers. Not just slapping in louder speakers. Actual acoustic tuning, custom calibration, 650 watts of pure sound output. But here's where it gets interesting. The front doors hide upgraded midwoofers. These aren't standard speakers. They're precision-engineered to reproduce low and mid-range frequencies without distortion, even at high volume. The kind of clarity you'd expect from studio monitors, not a 37,000 franc crossover. Most people don't realize this part. The entire Bang & Olufsen Performance Sound System was tuned specifically for the Puma's cabin acoustics. Every curve, every surface, every material factored into the equation. It's like having a sound engineer in the passenger seat, adjusting everything in real time. And here's the kicker. You're getting 155 metric horsepower and 114 kilowatts from a 1-liter mild hybrid engine. That 48-volt system adds an extra 50 newton-meters of torque when you need it. 0 to 100 in under 9 seconds. 5.7 liters per 100 kilometers combined. This thing moves. Inside, you get metal gray seats with light gray door trims. The 12.8-inch touchscreen runs Sync 4, which is noticeably faster than the old system. Wireless charging, adaptive cruise control, matrix LED headlights that adjust automatically to avoid blinding other drivers. And that MegaBox boot system? 456 liters of storage with a drainable floor. You can literally hose it out if you need to. The steering feels weighted like something twice the price. The suspension strikes this perfect balance between sporty and comfortable. You tap the throttle and it responds instantly. No lag, no hesitation, just immediate power. That pearlescent-like shine combined with the black contrast roof and those 18-inch Magnetite gray alloy wheels. It looks premium. It feels premium. People notice. Now here's the part that changes everything. This is a limited Ford collection model, which means once they're gone, they're gone. You can't just walk into a dealer next year and order one. The Sound Edition isn't coming back. Most crossovers in this price range give you decent power or decent sound. This gives you both. Plus, handling that makes you actually want to take the long way home. So if you've been waiting for a small crossover that doesn't compromise, this might be it. Next time, we're looking at something even more unexpected. A hybrid that somehow makes more sense than the pure electric version. You won't want to miss that. Let me know in the comments if the Sound Edition is worth the premium. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.